How to fix Play Store pending. So in this video guys, I will teach you and share with you the solution of this problem on your Google Play Store. Just watch and follow this video till the end. So first you have to open the settings of your phone, and after this go and open apps option. Here you will search for Google Play Store. Where is, when you found it, open it like this and then go to storage. Here go to clear data, click OK, and also click on clear cache. Then go back and click on first tab and click OK. Now you go to notifications and you see here app icon badge. You have to turn off it and turn on it like this, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.